Good morning students. Next problem is if a plus b is equal to 45 degrees, then prove that 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. Further, you have to deduce that tan 22 and half degrees is root 2 minus 1. Now let us see. It is given that a plus b is equal to 45 degrees. Now let us apply tan. So taking tan on both sides, so you will get tan a plus b is equal to tan 45 degrees. You have the formula tan a plus b. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b is equal to, where tan 45 degrees is 1. Now tan A plus tan B is equal to 1 minus tan A tan B. By cross multiplication, you will get 1 into tan A minus tan B. 1 into 1 minus tan A tan B, that is 1 minus tan A tan B. So again, this can be written as tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B is equal to 1. Now taking this term to right hand side. See this? Let us add 1 on both sides. Add 1 on both sides. You will get 1 plus tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B. Tan A tan B is equal to 1 plus 1. Now in these terms, 1 plus tan A plus. Now let us take tan B as common in last two terms. Take tan B as common. So you will get tan B into 1 plus tan A is equal to, and 1 plus 1 is 2. We have taken tan B as common from last two terms. Now again you can take 1 plus tan A as common. So 1 plus tan A into, you will get 1 plus tan B, that is equals to 2. That is what they have asked. They have asked to find, show that or prove that 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. Now from this you have to deduce the tan 22 and half degrees. Now let A is equal to B. In this, let us suppose A is equal to B. Then this implies A plus B is equal to 45 degrees. Now I am writing A is equal to B. So A plus A is equal to 45 degrees and 2A is equal to 45 degrees, so that A is equal to 45 degrees upon 2, it will be 22 and half degrees. Now let us replace B as A. You will get 1 plus tan A. Now here A is equal to B, so that you will get 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan A is equal to 2. So 1 plus tan A whole square is equal to 2. And 1 plus tan A is equal to root 2, and tan A is equal to root 2 minus 1, where angle A is 22 and half degrees. Therefore, or hence tan 22 and half degrees is equal to root 2 minus 1. That is what they have asked to deduce. So this is the required result. Tan 22 and half degrees is root 2 minus 1. Very, very important problem. Next problem. If A plus B is equal to 45 degrees, then cot A minus 1 into cot B minus 1 is equal to 2, and hence deduce that cot 22 and half degrees is equal to root 2 plus 1. Now you are given A plus B is equal to 45 degrees. Let us apply cot on both sides. So cot A plus B is equal to cot 45 degrees. Now cot A plus B is cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A plus cot B. That is the formula for cot A plus B. And cot 45 is obviously 1. Tan 45 and cot 45 both are 1. Now by cross multiplication, cot A cot B minus 1 is equal to cot A plus cot B. So you can write this as cot A cot B minus cot A minus cot B is equal to 1. I have taken these two terms onto left side and one onto right side. Now let us add 1 on both sides. So you will get cot A cot B minus cot A minus cot B plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1. We have added 1 on both sides. From these two terms you can take cot A as common. Cot A as common, you will get cot B minus 1. From these two terms, let us take minus as common. So you will get cot B minus 1. If you take minus as common, plus will become minus. So that minus into minus is plus. So it is equal to 2. Again you can take cot B minus 1 as common. So cot B minus 1 into cot A minus 1 is equal to 2. That is the result. They have asked to show that cot B minus 1 or cot A minus 1 into cot B minus 1 is equal to 2. Now we have to reduce the value of cot 22.5 degrees. So let A is equal to B. This we have A plus B is equal to 45 degrees. So B is also equal to A. So A plus A is equal to 45 degrees. 2A is equal to 45 degrees. So A is equal to 22.5 degrees. Now replace B as A here. You will get cot A minus 1 into cot A minus 1 is equal to 2. So cot A minus 1 whole square. This is x into x. You have to write x square. So is equal to 2. And now cot A minus 1 is equal to root 2. So cot A is equal to root 2 plus 1. Now where A is 22.5 degrees. So cot 22.5 degrees is equal to root 2 plus 1. This is the required result. Another important problem. These are important points. You have tan 22.5 degrees is equal to root 2 minus 1. So tan 22.5 degrees. Tan theta is always equals to cot 90 minus theta. So consider the cot 90 minus theta. That will be cot 67.5 degrees. And sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. So tan changes to cot. So cot 67.5 degrees is again root 2 minus 1. Another point. You are having cot 22.5 degrees is equal to root 2 plus 1. So cot will changes to tan 90 minus theta. So if you consider tan 67.5 degrees, it will be root 2 plus 1. So very important point. Tan 22.5 degrees is root 2 minus 1 and cot 22.5 degrees is root 2 plus 1. Another important result, tan of A plus B plus C Up to now we have seen the compound angle of two angles, that is sin A plus B, cos A plus B, tan A plus B, etc. Now we have considered three angles, tan of A plus B plus C. See this? So we have to show that tan A plus B plus C is sigma tan A minus pi tan A by 1 minus sigma tan A tan B. So let us see this problem. So let us consider tan of A plus B plus C. But we have a formula, tan alpha plus beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. This is the compound angle of two angles. Now let us consider these two angles as alpha and this one is beta. So here alpha is A plus B, beta is C. Now let us apply same formula. You will get tan of A plus B plus tan C by 1 minus tan of A plus B into tan C. We have applied tan alpha plus beta for these three angles where A plus B is alpha and C is beta. So tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. Now you are having tan A plus B. Now let us write the formula for tan A plus B. So tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B plus tan C by 1 minus tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B into tan C. So we have applied the formula of tan A plus B. Now take the LCM. Here 1 minus tan A tan B, here also 1 minus tan A tan B. Now this term will be multiplied with tan C. So you will get tan A plus tan B plus tan C into 1 minus tan A tan B. LCM is multiplied with tan C upon. Now clearly 1 minus tan A tan B will be cancelled and 1 minus tan A tan B is again multiplied with 1 here. So 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan A plus tan B into tan C. Now this can be written as tan A plus tan B multiplying with tan C, you will get plus tan C minus tan A into tan B into tan C by, here also multiplying with tan C, you will get 1 minus tan A tan B minus is also multiplied, so minus tan A tan C minus tan B tan C. Now this is tan of A plus B plus C. Remember that sigma, this is called sigma. This notation is sigma. So sigma denotes the summation. It is the notation for summation. So I am writing here. Sigma is the notation for summation. And pi, this is the capital letter pi. Pi is denoted for product. Sigma is denoted for summation and pi is denoted for product. this is for products, and this is for sum. Now you can see tan A plus tan B plus tan C. That means you can write it as sigma tan A. Sigma tan A means tan A plus tan B plus tan C, since you are having only 3 terms. If you are having 4 terms, that sigma will give you tan A plus tan B plus tan C plus tan D also. Minus, this is the product, so you have to write it like pi tan A by 1 minus of. Now you can take minus as common, you will get tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A. So minus sigma tan A into tan B. This is the result. So tan of A plus B plus C is sigma tan A minus pi tan A by 1 minus sigma tan A tan B. And you can do this as homework. Cot of A plus B plus C is equal to sigma cot A minus pi cot A by 1 minus sigma cot A cot B. Try that and post it through WhatsApp. Another important problem. If A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2, then we have to show these results. Now let us take A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2, and A plus B is equal to pi by 2 minus C. Pi by 2 means that is 90 minus C. So I am proving the first problem. Let us consider cot on both sides. So cot A plus B is equal to cot 90 minus C. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. We know that cot 90 minus C is tan C. And cot A plus B is cot A into cot B minus 1 by cot A plus cot B. So that is equal to cot 90 minus C is tan C. Now tan C, tan is the reciprocal of cot. So you can write tan theta as 1 by cot theta. So cot A into cot B minus 1 by cot A plus cot B is equal to 1 by cot C. Tan C is written as 1 by cot C. Now let us cross multiply with cot C. You will get cot C into cot A cot B minus 1 is equal to cot A plus cot B. Now multiplying with cot C, so cot A cot B cot C minus cot C is equal to cot A plus cot B. Now take cot C onto the right side. You can write like this: cot A plus cot B plus cot C. I have taken cot C onto right side, it will become plus cot C is equal to cot A into cot B into cot C. That is what they have asked to prove. So if A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2, then cot A plus cot B plus cot C is equal to cot A cot B cot C. Important result. Now let us consider the second one, that is we have to show that tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan A is equal to 1. So given A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2. So A plus B is equal to pi by 2 minus C. Now let us apply tan on both sides. So tan A plus B is equal to tan pi by 2 minus C. Now tan 90 minus theta theta is equal to cot theta. Tan changes to cot when the given angle is 90 minus theta. Now tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B, and tan 90 minus C is cot C. Now cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta. So tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A into tan B is equal to 1 by tan C. Now let us cross multiply with tan C. You will get tan A plus tan B into tan C is equal to 1 minus tan A into tan B. So multiplying with tan C, so tan A into tan C plus tan B into tan C is equal to 1 minus tan A into tan B. Now let us take minus tan A tan B onto the left hand side. You will get tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan A is equal to 1, which is the required result. So we are given that you have to show that A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2. Then tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A is equal to 1. This is another important result. Now coming to the third one, you have to show that sigma cos B plus C by cos B into cos C is equal to 2. Now let us consider A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2, and consider sigma cos B plus C by cos B into cos C is equal to 2. Sigma means it is the sum. They have given the combination of B plus C here. So you will be having another two combinations, A plus C and A plus B. So you can write cos B plus C as cos B into cos C minus sin B into sin C by cos B into cos C. Now let us divide with cos B into cos C. You will get 1 minus cos B cos C will be cancelled in the first term, or you can write in the next step. So cos B into cos C by cos B into cos C minus sin B into sin C by cos B into cos C. I have separated or divided with cos B into cos C. So in the first term cos B into cos C will be cancelled, so you will get 1 minus sin B by cos B is tan B and sin C by cos C is tan C. Now let us expand this sigma. That means you have to write another two terms like this: 1 minus tan B into tan C plus sigma means summation. 1 minus tan C into tan A plus 1 minus tan A into tan B. So this is 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 minus of tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan A. So you have a result: if A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 2, then tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A is equal to 1. So you can write it as 3 minus 1 and the result is 2. Very important result.